Hello guys, welcome to my SL Creates YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install a localhost on your PC and install WordPress and configure the initial configuration of the WordPress. Okay, we will start right away, and I have opened up the websites for you for the download of XAMPP and download WordPress. You have to go to wordpress.org and you can click this button that download WordPress 5.4.1, and it will directly start the download. And I have already downloaded those two for you, and I will show you real quick. And here again that XAMPP Apache platform, and you can see that Windows, Linux and Mac OS and whatever the platform you are using, but I'm doing it here for Windows, so I will download this one. And when I click that, you will go to this folder, and I have already downloaded it. That's why this is this message is showing that you downloaded. Start automatically, it will show this one. And okay, when you click this one, you will get a file here in the downloading process. And okay, now here it is. Now I am downloaded those two files for you, and I will click this XAMPP. First of all, we have to install XAMPP, and wait and see, we will show, and I click yes. UAC setup. This is the setup process of XAMPP, and I'm going to click next, and you will see that there are lots of systems selected, but we don't need this FileZilla, Mercury Mail Server, Tomcat, Perl. We don't need those fake send email. We actually don't need those. We only need this PHP MyAdmin, PHP MySQL database and Apache server. Okay. Then we are going to click next and select the C and exam and click next. English selected and click next, and I'm going to install directly. Setup is already being installing, and okay, we are in the installing process. Okay, now we have completed the installation, and that will show you that public networks such as those are okay. I'm going to uncheck that one. Okay, I will check it. That is Windows Defender Firewall. Okay, and allow. Okay, now we have finished our installation of XAMPP, and do you want to start the control panel? Yes, I need to start the control panel, and I will show you. Now XAMPP will pops up. Okay, here it is. Now we have seen that Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, that we don't install these three, but we did install Apache and MySQL, and I'm going to start. wait, give it time, and I'm going to start again. Allow access. Just allow the defender to allow access. Okay, now we have this green sign. That means we are good to go. We can do our whatever the task, that installation of the local host is completed, and port PIDs are there. I will show a different video in deep explanation of these items. Okay, and now we have that WordPress installation folder, and what folder is we are searching is in C. You can see exam, and in exam htdocs, and here this is the area that we have to install WordPress. Okay, I'm going to minimize and right click, extract files. Okay, I'm going to select C, XAMPP, htdocs, and click OK. That will be extracted to the selected folder of htdocs inside XAMPP installation that we have done. Okay, that is completed, and here it is, that WordPress is installed already. I'm going to select this one. Okay, here we have now WordPress installation already done inside the local host. Okay, we will go to this one and click MySQL admin. This will direct us to the PHP MyAdmin control panel, and we'll select databases, and we select the name of database. Database name will be WordPress. It must be same as this name, otherwise it will not work correctly. So where I am, okay, we have to select database. Okay, and hit create. Okay, now WordPress database was created, and now we have to go to our folder, WordPress folder, and click this one. You have to find out that wp config sample ph.php file, and I'm going to rename it with deleting these items, but be careful not to delete this dot. And I'm going to save it, and I'm going to click it open. Now we can open it using notepad, and in this notepad you can see that database name, username, password, db host, these things, and we have to edit the db name, that is the database name, which is our, we have given is WordPress, and db user, it must be root, nothing else, and password, leave it nothing. Okay, and we're going to close it and save only db name, db user, and password. Db name, your whatever the database name you have given, and the db user is root, and password is blank. Okay, I'm going to save it. Okay, now we are ready to install WordPress in our local host. Okay, now we can go to our file and say localhost / WordPress. Let's hit open. Okay, now we are in the WordPress installation start. I will select the English United States and I will give my site title uh, whatever, WordPress. Excel creates, and I will give you password. I will give you a strong password. When I will give you um, okay, it's a week, but you better give a password. They're asking about email address. I will type my email address there. uh, okay, don't check this one and install. Hit WordPress installation. Okay, now we have installed WordPress, and you are good to go, and we are in the dashboard of WordPress tutorials by SL Creates, that local hosting site. And thank you very much. In the next video I will show you how to customize in the very first things in the WordPress websites, and also I'm going to show you how to update using FileZilla in next couple of videos. And thank you very much for joining with SL Creates, and see you. Bye bye.